Hi, I'm Peter Llewellyn with CreativeOnlineSchool.com. In this session, I will be explaining how to create an HDR effect using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop if you haven't already. Now, locate the image you'd like to alter. Step 2. Navigate to the Adjustments portion of the window and select Hue Saturation. Step 3. Set the saturation all the way down and then select the Hue Saturation layer. Step 4. Adjust the opacity of the hue layer to about 30%. Step 5. Now apply a Smart Sharpen filter. Step 6. All done. We now have a finished image.